Hi everyone, thanks for joining. We're still seeking out the newest and coolest holiday decorations for Christmas 2020. Today we're at Michaels, which specializes more in home decor. Let's go in and check out what they've got. Michaels actually has different themed collections of decorations. Let's take a peek through Peppermint Lane. This collection has all the red and white themed decorations. Here's a red and white candy cane wreath. These cute little gingerbread houses and gingerbread trailers. There's your peppermint bowl sets. And red and white Santa Claus Nutcracker, and there's Mrs. Claus over here. Christmas signage. You've got a Merry Christmas ornament. Count down the number of sleeps till Christmas. Jingle bells right there. Some festive pillows. And as you're getting ready for Christmas, don't get frustrated. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Santa's boots decoration. Here's Santa riding a little red wagon. He's got his presents and his tree in there. More Christmas decor, some decorative Christmas trees, red and white, with some snow tips on top. And there is Santa counting down till Christmas. This little organizer says North Pole Post. I guess you can use that to organize your mail and all your Christmas cards. If you're looking for a cup of hot cocoa, there's Santa and Frosty. A tin, keep your hot cocoa here, right beside your Santa treats. Oh snap! Here's a little reusable Christmas advent calendar. Countdown with the doors. Put little treats in behind each one of those. All the way till Christmas Day. Right up there. Some more peppermint themed signage. Santa, we have cookies, stop here. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Santa, stop here. Make sure people head in the right direction. Santa's workshop this way, Mrs. Claus's kitchen that way. Elf Village, same as the Santa's workshop, and reindeer stables over by the kitchen. Huh. I should never shop on an empty stomach. Here's a gingerbread tree kit. And if that's not enough, you can get an Oreo gingerbread house kit. Or over here, celebrate with the trolls and your party village cookie kit. I bet there's lots of glitter in that one. Collection of Santas for any occasion. There's a traditional Saint Nick. Santa cozied up in his jammies, having a cookies and milk. Here's Santa Lumberjack. Santa the Toy Maker. Western Santa. Golf Santa. Baking Santa. There's Skiing Santa over here. And there's Big Skiing Santa. He's got his skis and his ski poles, or just cozied up with a teddy bear and some mistletoe. More Christmas decor. We've got some snowy owls, some snow geese, some little polar bears, more owls. Is that either a reindeer or a jackalope? I think they're reindeer. These are cozy little home decor. Cute little family of owls there. An assortment of jingle bells. You get your single large jingle bell. You got your small strand of jingle bells, larger strand of jingle bells, and here's a giant strand of jingle bells. Here's a giant assortment of nutcrackers, everything from sports nutcrackers, lumberjack, chef, sailor, firefighter nutcrackers. It's a nutcracker Bobby, a nutcracker pirate right there. That's a Dr. Nutcracker. Down here there's some larger ones, the more traditional nutcrackers. There's one that you can count down until Christmas. It's got some countdown blocks in there. Other nutcrackers, baseball, skiing nutcracker, Harley Davidson nutcracker, right there. And some Rockstar nutcrackers, they're plain guitars. And here's the winter woodlands section. This is more traditional ornaments, or maybe good for theming your getaway cabin. I hope you get the chance to declare your own snow day, sleep in, sip hot chocolate, cherish every moment, deck the halls, believe, eat, drink, and be merry, build a snowman, roast marshmallows, and gather with family before you relax by the fire. That's a pretty busy snow day. This little reindeer will also help you count down to Christmas. Good deal on sleigh rides. At dusk, only 10 cents each. They've got cocoa, blankets, and cookies. Sign me up. And this bouncing Santa will help you dance your way to Christmas. Cute. Here's a traditionally dressed Santa Claus with a plaid reindeer over there. Plaid reindeer has a scarf, keeping warm. And I like this little Jingle Bell Christmas tree right here. Here's all the different buildings for the Christmas display. Down here is the Santa Express miniature. It looks like that would go around the Christmas tree. Christmas tree trucks. Ah, the Tuscan carafe. Fine wine and cheeses. Here's a floral shop decorated for Christmas. It has a snack and treat with a hot beverage stand out front. Here's a Christmas nursery. It says this is the North Pole. It's got a little greenhouse up top with Santa and one of the reindeer hanging out on top of the greenhouse. Some of the elves down below. Here's a hot chocolate shop for the love of chocolate. Looks like they have a whole chocolate factory in the back and a little hot cocoa stand out front. Fancy Paws Boutique. Looks like it's a Christmas themed pet store. Got some puppies in the front window. Some of the customers walking their pets out front. There's a Santa water tower. And a clock tower back there. Bristol Creek Depot, thinking that would be a train station of some sort. More shops for the Christmas Village. Cinnamon rolls, holiday special. Order a dozen today. Oh, there's the baker in the front window, if you can see him right down there. Right behind these trees, you got an old country store. General supplies, fresh flowers. All part of the Christmas Village. And back here, the kids' favorite, Toy Town. Dolls, puzzles, games. There's a bicycle out front. Lots of toys in all of the different windows. Dolls, bears, spaceship. Here's a Sugar Plum Dance Company. Presents a magical Christmas. Now, unfortunately, these are off right now, but if they were on, I'm assuming that the little ballerinas would be spinning around, maybe dancing the Nutcracker. If you want to decorate your house, they've got some giant outdoor Christmas ornaments. Things like this here. Hang those from your gutter. Very festive. Different colors. Just like that. You could even decorate your home with these Christmas jingle bells. Some of these ornaments. That's a sloth hugging a Christmas tree. Very cute. Polaroid camera. Kids wouldn't even know what that is nowadays. A turtle, a tape measure, and decorate your tree with a bag of coal. Decorative fish right there, maybe a jet plane. Guess those are toys. Although most toys for kids nowadays look more like this. You can decorate your tree with a Game Boy or arcade cabinet. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.